Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you forgot to add a collaborator to your Instagram post, you can fix it even after it's live. And here's how to do it. Open your Instagram application and log into your specific account. Go to your profile and find the post that you want to edit. Tap on these two lines in the top right corner. From this page, you need to scroll down and select edit. Now select add people. Then select invite collaborators and select the person that you want to collab with. And select invite to collaborate, then select done in the top. Again, select done in the top. Instagram will send an invitation to the collaborator, and once they accept, their username will appear on your post as a co-author. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.